You ever finish a long study session, close your laptop, then realize you remember literally nothing? Like, what did I even do for the last 3 hours? You highlighted things, reread chapters, maybe even rewrote your notes in aesthetic colors, but somehow nothing sticks. Here's the truth. Most students waste around 80% of their study time doing things that feel productive, but aren't actually helping their brain learn. And it's not your fault. School never teaches you how to study, just that you're supposed to. But today we're fixing that, because once you understand where your time is leaking, you can literally study half as long and get twice the results. Part 1. The big reveal. The illusion of productivity. Here's what's happening. When you're studying, your brain loves to trick you. You highlight, you organize, you copy notes, and it feels amazing. That feeling is called the illusion of progress. Your brain gets a little dopamine hit from doing something, even if that thing isn't helping you remember a single concept. Think about it. You spend an hour rewriting your notes. It's neat, it's colorful, it looks satisfying, but if I asked you to explain what you just wrote, you'd probably blank. That's not learning, that's comfort work. Real learning feels uncomfortable. It feels like you're struggling a bit, because your brain is actually working to build connections. So, if your study sessions feel too easy or too chill, there's a good chance you're stuck in that 80% waste zone. Part 2. Common traps. Everyone falls into. Let's call them out. Here are the 3 biggest time traps that make students feel productive but secretly waste their hours. Number 1. Passive repetition. Rereading your notes or textbooks again and again. It feels responsible, but your brain tunes out after the first read. You're just seeing familiar words, not processing meaning. There are 2. Pretty notes syndrome. Spending more time making your notes aesthetic than actually understanding them. It's fine to make things look nice, but perfectionism kills focus. Number 3. Marathon sessions. You sit for 4 hours straight thinking, I'm grinding, but after 45 minutes, your retention drops off a cliff. You're not a machine. Your brain needs breaks to recharge and actually consolidate information. Part 3. Shift the mindset. Studying, reading, it's retrieving. Here's the mindset shift that changed everything for me. Learning isn't about putting information in your brain. It's about pulling it out. That's the secret. Your brain learns best when it has to retrieve information, not when it just sees it again. So instead of rereading a page, close the book and try to explain the concept out loud, or write it from memory. This forces your brain to struggle, and that struggle is literally the process of building memory. That's called active recall, and it's the opposite of wasting time. Pair that with spaced repetition, reviewing stuff at smart intervals instead of cramming, and you've basically hacked your brain's memory system. Part 4. How to fix it. The 3-hour reset plan. Alright, let's make this real. Here's a simple system to stop wasting time starting tonight. Step 1. The chunk rule. Study in 25 40-minute chunks. After each, take a 5-10 minute break. Use a timer. No guilt, no distractions. This keeps your focus sharp and prevents that zombie mode studying. Step 2. Explain it like a friend. After each chunk, pretend you're teaching someone who missed class. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it yet. This one exercise alone will triple your retention. Step 3. The next day challenge. Tomorrow, before reviewing your notes, try to recall everything from memory. Even if you get half wrong, it's still progress. That's how your brain locks information long-term. Mini cliffhanger pause. If you do these 3 things for just 1 week, you'll feel the difference instantly. You'll study less. But remember,